Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at Elite Automotive down at Archerfield for a wheel alignment on my 2017 Ford Mustang GT. Last week I put in new white line lowering springs and adjustable sway bars on the car, and yeah, I thought I'd better get a wheel alignment and make sure everything's all checks out right to make sure that the handling is where I want it at really at the end of the day. So yeah, it should be an interesting thing. I've never seen actually how wheel alignments are done. Hopefully I can get some footage of it being done on the car, and also I'm going to have a chat to the owner, Paul, with regards to some engine modifications and things like that as well in the background, so to speak, for something further down the track. Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to this. When I put the suspension in, everything seemed fine, you know, like handling wise. I had to drive back from the farm back home, which is about 125k trip sort of thing. Everything felt fine on the bumpy roads and all that sort of stuff, even on smooth roads. Didn't seem to be tracking or anything like that, but just want to make sure everything's right with regards to the alignment of the wheels and that everything's kosher in that sense there. So it's something that you might be interested in. By all means, keep watching, and yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Good on you. Alright, so we're going for the spin in a Stage 2 Golf R. Should be interesting. Let's go.
Standard power on this is 213 kilowatts.
Yep.
At the engine. And we've got a Stage 2 kit in this car, which is intercooler package, downpipe, which is a high flow cat section, airbox, and a tune. So we've run 11.8 down a quarter on this car.
11.8.
11.8.
In a four banger.
In a four banger, yep. So it's rather impressive. That's why I said let's go for a drive.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we'll go for a little bit of a spin. We've got the sports mode on. We'll go up the road and we'll do a launch in the launch control, because in four-wheel drive it's actually pretty impressive. It throws you back.
So this is all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive, yeah. We've done 0 to 100. We've done 0 to 100 in about 3.6 or 3.7 seconds. So
bloody hell.
As we say in the industry, it's got a pretty good impression ratio.
Yeah. Sorry, I should introduce you. This is actually Paul. He's the owner of Elite Automotive.
How you going?
And yeah, so the boys are doing some work on my Mustang at the moment, doing the wheel alignment and that, and getting some camber in the back.
Yep.
As well. Bloody hell. It's got some going in it, eh?
Yeah, it's got some pickup. As the Blues Brothers said.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Is this a new Blues Brothers or what? Yeah, the car's got some pickup. To get at the track or come and you take it from a drive like this, for example.
Yep.
And really enjoy it.
Bet you a few jaws dropped when dropped 11.8.
Oh yeah. Well, in the Stage 3, you can expect to run 10s. I'm just going to pull over just up the road here.
So we're going to do a launch, are we?
Do a launch, yeah. Yeah, we'll do it. Yeah, there's no one coming.
Okay.
Alright, so we stop.
Yep.
Put our foot on the brake.
Yep.
Give it a rev. Hold it there. Foot off the brake.
That has got some pull, eh? That is amazing.
Yes.
I love the crackle. It sounds like a two-step, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's basically what it is.
That's just awesome. Oh, that is magnificent. What a weapon. This is just unreal, this car. 2 litre, 4-banger, and it puts you in the seat that hard.
Imagine driving through the twisty stuff on this thing.
There wouldn't be much hanging with it.
No.
That is on all 4 wheels too. Like that is just absolutely magnificent. Thank you so much for that.
That's all right, man.
That is just fantastic. It's like, I love my V8s, don't get me wrong, but
yeah.
This is just...
It's nuts.
That is nuts. For a 2 litre.
Yeah.
Grinning like a bloody idiot here.
Yeah. Oh, that's why I said you gotta go for a drive in this thing. That's awesome.
That is so much fun.
Sick.
That is an absolute weapon, that. Awesome. Thank you very much for that, Paul.
No worries,
much
mate.
appreciated.
That's all right.
So there we go, all done. Just some minor corrections on the alignment, front and rear. A bit of adjustment on the tyre pressures as well. But yeah, other than that, it's she's Mickey Mouse. So I'm going to just actually, let's start that again. Just heading off home now to grab a few bits and pieces. Missing a couple of things out of my camera bag that I was wanting to use today. What I want to do is go for a bit of a run up over the mountain. Not, just a bit of a spirited run, and just see if I can feel the difference in it now that everything's been aligned and all that sort of stuff. So we're going to do that. Just going to get out of this traffic, which is just not happening. I just grabbed another. This is the 3rd set of red light on the same set of lights. But so I'm going to go home, see if I can find those suction cup things, and go for a run up over the mountain and get a real feel for this car, that it's been lowered, see what the sway bars, what difference they make, all that sort of stuff, and hopefully get some good footage for you guys too. So hang with us. Oh, right, okay. Bit of a change of plan from yesterday. It's now the day after. I was on my way home from Elite Automotive, and I was going to go up the mountain and get a feel for the car now that it's been lowered on the new springs and the sway bars and everything's been aligned and all that sort of stuff. Just get a bit of a feel for it, see what differences there is from the stock standard car. And then the weather turned to crap. So I tanked that idea and thought, well, I'll chance it today. It's a little bit cloudier today, but no rain as of yet, thank goodness. So thought I'd just set some cameras up in the car here now. I'm about 15-20 minutes away from where there's a nice mountain pass that I really enjoy with the car and also with my bike as well. So we'll kick her in the guts and we'll get cracking on it. This is just amazing, the grip and the punch out. Fantastic. Oh, this is just sticking. Just hunkers down and gets into it. Just the turn in, so accurate. Steady throttle. Oh wow. We've just got some roadworks ahead here, so that is, wow, unbelievable. So excited with this car. So excited with this car. It's completely transformed this thing. I'll pop my ears. There we go. Yeah, unreal. Always found when I first bought this car, you jump in it, you'd see the dash and everything, you know, old school style muscle car stuff, and you'd start it up and it'd have this sense of occasion when you started it, and that hasn't diminished at all with the suspension upgrades and everything like that, and what I can feel what this car can do now. It's just amplified that sense of occasion even more, and cannot wait to get this thing on the racetrack, that's for sure. I am super excited to get this thing out on the racetrack and get a feel for it again as to, one, if I need to make any adjustments to the sway bar, like go to the stiffest setting, don't know. I'm certainly going to run it the way it is, for sure, and just go from there, because it's not a very hard thing to do as long as you got the weight off the tyres. It's fairly easy to adjust the sway bar setting to its stiffer setting, so it's just a couple of nuts, but you do have to get the front end up, otherwise that sway bar is going to be an absolute murder to try and move. You basically, it's nigh on impossible without getting the wheels off and getting the whole front end in the air. Well, as we see that we've caught up in traffic, then I might pull over and see if I can get a coffee or something. Absolutely dying for a coffee. All right, well, that was a nice cup of coffee. Very nice indeed. Just a little slurp there. Yes, sensational. So has the suspension upgrade and the sway bar upgrade been worth it? In a nutshell, absolutely. I am absolutely blown away with this car now, the way that it handles and performs, and it's just amazing. I'm just absolutely beside myself. So, and really truly am besotted again with this car. So yeah, it was well worth the effort to put the suspension in, and then also for Paul and the guys at Elite Automotive, there we go, for them to tweak it up and make sure all the alignment was bang on and all that sort of stuff. So big shout out to them, much appreciated. I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up for me, much appreciated, and also hit the subscribe button for more videos to come on RevMatch 1970. You guys have a fantastic day, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next video. See ya.